On water sports gear, from dive lights to underwater camera housing, dependable seals start with AID Silicone Grease. This thick, food-grade formula lubricates and protects rubber and plastic parts, keeping them flexible, sealed, and protected. Apply a small amount to O-rings, valve systems, threads, or moving parts to reduce wear and create a watertight barrier. Use it on underwater camera housing, dive lights, spear guns, hoses, and other threaded components exposed to pressure and moisture. It won't degrade rubber or silicone, and a little goes a long way. AID Silicone Grease protects the seals, threads, and O-rings that keep your dive gear watertight, so you can focus on the dive, not the leaks. See the full lineup of AID lubricants and antifogs online or at an outdoor retailer near you.